Manifest is clear. Head straight to the unloading bay, follow the workers' directions.
Yes, sir, right this way.
All right, keep them moving slowly. Watch your spacing, easy now.
Water quality levels remain optimal. Good, the automated filters are working perfectly. Water flow is steady at 15 liters per minute.
Data looks good. The new filtration system is working perfectly.
Sigan derecho.
Nivel de llenado correcto.
The system adjusted the protein ratio automatically.
Good, the bulls seem to be responding well.
Clear view of the portal vein here.
Yeah.
Got the blood sample secured. Moving it to the cooler.
Washing standards met. Condition report logged.
Confirmed. Moving to medical now. Overall condition looks good, no signs of lameness.
Agreed. I'll update the movement score on the tablet now.
The subcutaneous fat depth is right on target. Skin elasticity looks good.
Confirmed. Entering the data now. Overall health status is excellent.
All results are positive. The bulls meet the factory health standards.
Confirmed. Updating the livestock reports now.
Ensure the grain matching algorithm is applied to these panels.
Verified. The system shows perfect alignment for the leather cut.
Ya está limpio este. Sí, parece que sí. Pásalo, pásalo. We're set here at the mark.
Okay, the parameters match the specs. Start the sequence.